me just try and make a giant bubble really quick, guys. Whoa, look at that, guys. What is up, guys? Welcome back to this Slimeatory. Alright, guys, so today I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite recipes, slime recipes, of course, you know. And yeah, that's basically it. It's just plain out and simple. And today's Slimeatory challenge will be try to Slimeatory with your toe. Today's gonna be a little funky, so yeah. You got time for the Slimeatory with your toe, and let's get straight on into the video. What yo? The first recipe, guys, it's a fluffy slime recipe, and this one is from Gillian or Jillian. Jello. Jillian Bauer, I think it's Jillian Bauer, but anyways, guys, so this one I really like from forever. I don't think it's just hers. I'm pretty sure a lot of other people, I think it's kind of like a basic fluffy slime recipe. But anyways, basically you're gonna get some white Elmer's glue, or just white glue. Okay, and then after I'm gonna put some food coloring. I'm just gonna put like a little bit of orange because I kind of want it to be a peachy color. Okay, there it is. Okay, and then you're gonna go ahead and add some shaving cream. Then last but not least, guys, some cornstarch. Just like a little bit, just to give it that extra oomph. And I think I'm gonna add a little bit more.
Jeez, that's a lot.
Yeah, I know, Paul. Okay, there's a little bit more shaving cream. Okay, now it's starting to come together. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add the activator. Simple borax recipe, 1 cup of water with a tablespoon of bananas. Actually, I'm sorry, it's a cup of water with a teaspoon of borax. There you go. By the way, if you guys are making like fluffy slime, just a little tip, it usually uses a little bit less activator than normal. And there's my favorite slime recipe tutorial.
Okay.
It's super strong. Okay. It doesn't stick at all. Okay, well guys, I just realized Paul made this borax for me and he kind of completely overactivated it.
Hey, don't blame me.
Well,
you're supposed to add little by little and you added a lot.
No, I didn't. I added the amount that you should be able to amount.
Okay, just restart. Don't blame me.
Restart, guys. So, getting some glue. And let's activate. So I'm finally done with it, guys. It's still a little bit overactivated because of the activator that Paul made. Apparently is extremely over borax.
I fixed it.
Yeah, we put some water in it. But anyways, here it is, guys. It is so nice and fluffy. I like it more than like just regular shaving cream and glue. I like the cornstarch feel because I kind of feel like makes it a little bit more matte and kind of more thick. And I don't know, it just adds to the texture. I really like it. You guys comment down below what your favorite fluffy slime recipe is, or if this is yours, or yeah. Oh, that is a perfect swirl.
Can you try and make a bubble? No, right?
No, it's too strong. Ta-da! Oh, I can't do a bubble, guys. Okay, well, I'm done with this slime, guys. This is my favorite slime recipe. You guys comment down below what is your favorite slime recipe, and let's get on to the next one. Next recipe, guys, is from Slime Tutorials 101. It's an Instagram page, and this one is a bubblegum slime. So yeah, okay, so let's start. First, what you need to do is add some glue, obviously, and then some shaving cream. This time I'm gonna be using paint because I like, oh, what is that? I wanted to use paint for this one because I like the texture it gives it. Kind of like makes it a little bit thicker, kind of like cornstarch. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and add some shaving cream. Some of that fluffy stuff. And then you're gonna wanna add some cornstarch, and I just realized that I actually put a little bit too much shaving cream. You're not supposed to put that much. Next step is to add some facial wash, but I don't have any at the current moment, so I'm just gonna be using some shower gel. It's kind of like the same thing. Mix that up. This one smells so good. It's from Bath & Body Works. Next, you're gonna add some lotion. I like to use the dollar store one. That one right here, cocoa butter. It's like thin, but like soft at the same time. It doesn't really soften slime, but it gives it a nice, I don't know how to explain it, but it's weird. Okay, and then you're gonna add the activator. How much should I add this time, Paul?
Probably a good amount.
This bubblegum slime, guys, is basically the same thing as fluffy slime, but it's a little bit more like clicky and like sticky, I guess you could say. So I'm finally done, guys. As you can see, it's a little bit more like clicky and it's a lot more crunchy too. but it's a bit fluffy. I don't know, it has a different texture. I really enjoy it. Like, I love it so much. And then also, it is wonderful when it gets all the bubbles out. Let me just show you how crackalacky it is, guys. Like, yeah.
Looks exactly like bubble gum.
It's really clicky. Like, let me just show you guys the difference between the fluffy slime. And then here's the bubblegum slime. It's also a bit jiggly and thick. Maybe that's why it's bubblegum slime, because it's like makes such great bubbles. You can make some really big bubbles. Maybe I should have made my giant bubble with this. You just try and make a giant bubble really quick, guys. Whoa, look at that, guys. Holy moly. Oh no. That was so cool. Oh my god. Maybe I should do a part 2 to the giant bubble, guys, and like make it with bubblegum slime. Giant bubblegum bubble slime. Oh, that one was definitely not as good as the other one. Oh, okay. You're getting slime on the microphone. Is it doing anything?
Yeah, it's completely foggy. And it's coming out.
Okay, I'm gonna try and make like a lot of good bubbles. Watch. Up, bend over. Yes. Wow, that is beautiful. Bend over. Oh no. I love bubblegum slime, guys. It's like a mixture of thick slime and fluffy slime. I don't know. Anyways, you guys got to know what your favorite bubblegum slime is, or if you like bubblegum slime. And let's get on to the next recipe. Next recipe, guys, is from Lily, and literally Lily. Like, her YouTube name is Lily, and it's actually kind of like a new one. So it's a thick slime tutorial. Basically, you're gonna get some GlueAll, some Elmer's GlueAll, and GlueAll and school glue are different, so if you're a little confused on that. Here's what GlueAll looks like, guys, and then this is the regular school glue. The GlueAll is actually thicker, it has a different texture. The school glue is a little bit more glossy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is like thicker already, like super thick. Then you're gonna go ahead and add your food coloring. I'm gonna be making pink. Then to add some glossy thickness, you're gonna go ahead and add some water. Not a lot, not too much. I might have actually added too much, just a little bit, and it kind of like makes it really glossy. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more glue because I think I added too much water. Now I'm gonna go ahead and activate it. This one I want it to be hot pink. I don't want it to be pastel today. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add the activator. I was about to add more water. Activator. And let me just go ahead and activate this, guys, so you guys don't have to watch this, so I'll see you later. Here it is all done, guys. This took a very long time, but anyways, here it is. It's super glossy and super thick. So I don't know what it is, guys, but like the water makes it really glossy and like thick. And it's really nice. And this is it with like a bunch of bubbles. Like, imagine when it has no bubbles, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, can you guess what time it is? It is slime smoothie time! We haven't done this in a while, but I'm gonna be doing it. And I also did take half of this thick slime. It's really nice. I really like it. I like the color it came out. Anyways, here's the bubblegum slime, thick slime, Miss Thicky, and Miss Fluffy. And together you got sherbet. Here it is. Ooh, this looks really pretty, guys. Reminds me of a Dr. Seuss book. Books. Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's beautiful. A lot of you are probably gonna be like, really, Ameerah, why are you pressing on the swirl? It's because I like to see it pressed. It looks beautiful. It's gorgeous. Love it. It's like Austin Powers blended up with Dr. Seuss. Okay, well, I think it's all done now. That's what it came out to be. Beautiful, right? Okay, well, that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you comment down below if you guys want me to do a part 2. I could do my other recipes. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really, really hope I see you next time. Bye!